Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm playing COD with my boy Hamza. Okay. Let's start the match. Be a little bit loud and clear, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice, bro. GG. How's your day going, bro?
I'm a pro sniper.
Sniper, oh man.
You know it.
Hamza, if I get 1k likes,
I'm gonna snipe everybody.
Hamza,
Snipe everybody, Amar.
Hamza, if I get 1k likes, 1k subscribers, I'm gonna give an iPhone. And if I get 10k, I'm gonna give 5 iPhones. Subs. I'm serious, literally serious.
Amar, you know the place. Amar, you know the place.
Okay, that ladder thing. It is like just front of me.
It is near me, not front of me. I'll snipe everybody, literally everybody.
Okay, dude. I took like the transform shield, you take sentry, okay?
Amar, I hope you don't become.
Okay, I'm just moving back. I'm scared. I'm not, let's go. Safe. Arey, move, guy. Just come up of the ladder, okay?
Let's go, bro.
My skins are not loaded. That's why I'm looking in the noob skin, or I'm in like that nice Park Spirit skin. Is there, no, that girl skin, Chinese woman?
Contact with enemy.
Okay, Testy boy, I'm behind you. Subscribe to Testy's channel. What is that channel, Testy? I forgot the name.
I don't have a channel.
Oh, okay. Okay, he's gonna make a channel.
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I will not make a channel.
Okay, though. Okay.
I can't snipe anybody, bro. I can't snipe anybody.
Target down.
Come with me, okay? Just take your pistol or what, and I need some bullets, okay?
Target down.
Amar, I can't. I will die. I can't risk it.
Enemy contact.
You need to risk it for me, son. Okay, some
I
idiot.
died, bro.
You died.
Yes, somebody throw that.
Okay.
Enemy down. Reloading.
But I did so many snipes.
Friendly sentry gun deployed.
Target down.
I'll lie down nicely, okay?
I'm risking it for my
I'm
boy.
gonna win this match, okay?
I risked it for my boy.
Shit, dude, shit. What the heck?
Enemy sentry gun has been
Holy
destroyed.
shit.
Reloading.
Also fast.
Shit, why did I keep the transform shield here? God damn it.
Changing mag.
Reloading.
Bro, what is happening? What? Hello?
Reloading. Cover me.
I'm gonna kill everyone now. Kill everyone.
Enemy down.
You know how I do it. I'm gonna kill everyone now.
In your dreams, I think.
And I tell I'll kill everyone.
I'm gonna reload my gun like this.
Enemy contact.
Shit!
Changing mag. Enemy down.
Order to survive.
I died, bro. I died of a strip mine. I died. Like,
Hostile sentry
because
gun
of the
in your
strip mine
AO.
guy.
I did it on purpose. I did it on purpose so you won't die.
Nice.
Need backup. Cover me. Need backup.
Guys, you know what? I think after 1 or 2 months, I'm gonna do gameplay with PS5. So please subscribe to my channel. Because of you guys, I'm buying a brand new PS5. No, Hamza?
So buy it already. You have also.
Yeah, I have. I was just kidding. But after 1 month, I'll do. Because like now I want to take the fun of that. Take fun with that. No, yeah, I want to take fun alone. I don't want to record now.
wants to, he doesn't know how to control a PS5.
That's why I'm a noob. I'm a noob because I'm a mobile player, bro.
Yes, I can't come. I know how to control.
Shit! Arey, like I'm dying and like this.
Code, I can't go out that far.
Hamza has a PS4. When PS4 like launched, he bought that. No, Hamza, yeah, we both will play Fortnite, Rocket League, Call of Duty, everything. No, together. Fall Guys, Minecraft. Then when Among Us launches, we will play that. No.
Targeted!
Shit! When I die, like this dead effect is coming.
You're gonna kill everyone now.
I'm gonna take my revenge.
Last survivor.
Last survivor.
And this guy down. Kill him. Go down and kill him. I'm just going for it.
You've taken the lead.
Let's go, everyone.
One more match.
One more. Of course, one more, dude. Of course.
One more. This gun nice, bro.
This kill was OP. He was just gonna launch the nuke. Guys, if I get 5k likes, I'm gonna challenge iFork guy. And I'll defeat iFork if I get 10k. If I get 10k subscribers, I'll defeat iFork, and if I get 5k subscribers, I'll challenge him. So do it fast.
What? Who will you challenge?
iFork, the best Call of Duty player. I know I lose, but
Who?
iFork, something like that. No, he's there. No.
I don't. Yeah, something like that. I don't remember.
Yeah, he's such a noob player. Nobody remembers his name. Yeah, no, iFork, if you are seeing this, you are a big noob.
Let's go, Amar. You got this, Amar. You got this.
I got this. If Face Clan is seeing this, Face Clan, if you are seeing this, just remember this. I'm a very good player and I'm a very good sniper. So,
I am a better sniper than you.
we both are good snipers. So if you are seeing this video, please add us to the Face Clan because we can do nice trick shots now, and for their team we are nice players, no Hamza?
What is it?
For their Call of Duty team we are good snipers. Oh shoot! God damn it! Dime, I'm climbing up. So Face Clan, we are good snipers for your team. We can do nice trick shot, and I promise, if you take us, we will help. Me and Hamza will win a tournament. Hamza, if Face Clan will take us in their team, we both promise now that we'll win a contest for them if we are in Face. And we'll get Face one more trophy. You are alive or you are dead? Let's see if you are alive or dead. LOL. Laugh out loudly.
Friendly sentry gun deployed.
Shit!
Hostiles have
He
destroyed
came
your
from
sentry
back. I
gun.
did not even knew I was sniping. God damn it.
Sentry gun in your AO.
Need backup!
With the boy.
Need backup! Contact with enemy! Need backup! Changing mag!
Shit, dude.
Amar, I found a new spot.
Need backup!
Amar, come here.
Where
You
are
see
you?
where I am?
Need
See me
backup!
on minimap.
Need backup!
I found new spot. See? Very nice.
Minimap. Yeah, see the minimap. Testy column. Yeah. I'm coming to a place. Testy. This place for what, Testy?
Climb this ladder. Climb
We've
this
taken the
ladder.
lead.
Very nice.
Yeah, I know. When I played with Fadil, I could like go up there only. Me, Fadil could be there only. I know this place, bro.
I didn't get any killing on in this round. What is this? No, hunter.
Let's see if my recording is recording or not. Of course it's recording. Good. We'll play one last match. We'll play one last match and then we'll end the recording, okay?
Yes. We should get raid. Please raid. Please raid. Please.
Yeah, we'll get raid. I know. I believe in God. God is telling me that we'll get raid.
I
Hamza,
don't see raid.
can you like give me a thumbnail for this video because I don't know how to do editing nicely, okay?
I'll give you. I'll
Mission
send you.
accomplished.
Okay,
One.
thank you, dude. Hamza, big editor. I got 0 kills, dude.
Even I got 0 kills.
I so like try
I
snipe.
should get sniper. I should get raid, bro. Raid is the best map.
Raid is OP. Raid OP. Hamza, you know
In
what?
the comments.
In laptop we can stream. We can do live stream. In
Even
YouTube.
I can do. Come on, raid. No, crossfire again.
God damn it. Cosplay did a hat trick.
Attack of the undead.
I'm gonna take this OP gun. No. Yeah, I'm gonna take this gun. I'm gonna take my PPQ kit. Yeah. Come to that ladder, okay? No. Come to the other place where we both found. No? Yeah, no.
No, don't go there. Don't go there. Wilson.
Shit, you are not, no? Move! People, move! Thanks. Hamza, are you alive? Hamza, like there'll be 2 on deaths. There'll be 2 on deaths.
Amar, where are you?
I'm like on the top of the ladder. On the top of the ladder. Where are you, bro?
Wait, Amar.
Testy.
Coming, I'm coming.
There's like just 6 people left. That Jabi Sayyid 1111, I think he should die. Yeah, he will die.
This is not letting me go up only.
Sentry gun deployed. Friendly sentry gun deployed.
I died again.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
Target's in sight. Reloading.
Hello, Amar.
Yes. I like took every like precaution for like not dying. Are you alive, dude?
No, I died because of those stupid ones.
Sentry gun deployed.
Okay, I'm alive, but
Changing mag.
Reloading. Cover me. Contact with enemy.
oh, I just saw throat like this. Oh, I also died because of. I died because of trip mine, dude. No, dude. No. Hamza, what is this thing? Like, there's like some cloth on the right side, and like this is showing like the undead's face. You can see on the right side of your screen there's like something where if, there'll be like sentry gun, annihilator. What is the thing?
Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
Okay, I'll send you pic of that. Oh shoot. Now they will have a nuclear bomb of death machine and they will win.
Enemy contact.
Yeah, okay for you.
Need backup.
For the sake of God, just go up. What the heck,
Hostile
dude?
sentry gun in your AO.
Need backup. Need backup.
No, bro. No leaving, bro, please. Okay, for you. Yes, hello? Yeah, I left the match.
Hello.
I
Yes,
left the
even I
match.
left. We'll play one more match. Please should be raised.
Let's see
Please
which of
should
my
be
friend
raised.
is online. Wait, let's see which of my friend is online. There's no like good online friends. We play one ranked match, okay, please.
Yes, okay.
Search and destroy,
Search and
keep.
destroy.
Search and destroy, okay. Terminal. Search and destroy. I'll take sniper O main, okay.
You can't see. You can't see what is called a map.
Okay, don't keep map. Or we play private search and destroy. You take
No,
sniper,
there's
sniper
no
battle. Private search and destroy, sniper battle. That will be OP. Please do for me, please. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
And
I'm inviting you. Wait,
let
let.
me change. Okay, I'm ready.
What the heck? Wait, is it search and destroy only? Let me download terminal fast. The map is not downloaded. Wait. I just want like log in from this device. 2 seconds, wait, okay? 2 seconds.
Hello, is it done, Amar?
Yeah, it's done. Half is done. Wait. From like 40 MB, 20 is done. 1 second, 1 MB is loading. So like wait 20 seconds.
Okay.
Hamza,
17.
I'm such. Hamza, you know what? If the people give me if I get nice subscribers and a lot of subscribes then I will I'll afford a PC, then I can just download fast the games and what, but they will not even give me subs, sir. That's why I can't afford a PC. Give me subs for PC. Which guy joined? Okay, I'm gonna kick him. I kicked him.
Is it loaded, Amar?
Yeah, 1 MB left. Just count till 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. See, I told you. What the? Wait. Just leave the match. Okay, I'm gonna keep terminal.
Okay.
I forgot to keep a map.
Yes.
You were counting, so I thought if I lose, you will make fun of me. That's why I forgot. Okay, I'll keep terminal now. Okay, get ready, boy. Get ready. Leave that match.
No, okay, I'm ready. Players requiring map download.
Terminal is downloaded. I don't know why. Terminal.
I'll invite you, Amar. I'll invite you.
Okay, yeah, you keep terminal. Okay.
Private. One side, let me change. Search and pistol. 1 second, let me keep terminal.
Keep terminal, 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 terminal. Terminal is very OP map in Search and Destroy. I love that. I love it, boys. Start the match.
Hello, still
Arey, the
saying-
terminal thing
still
is
saying.
downloaded, dude. Okay, now try.
Still showing.
I started the recording like 5 minutes happened, like there was a like glitch. So I like something happened. Leave it. It's
Only sniper battle. Sniper battle.
sniper. Oh man. So we got out of jail. What a kick
Search
out.
and destroy.
No. I'll make a song. Sniper. Oh man. So we ran in terminal,
Destroy
finding for a person to snipe. Yes.
Copyright. You get copyright.
No. So then we found a man. We sniped him. Snipe. Headshot. It went a headshot. I did him a headshot. Then something happened to him.
Don't.
The headshot happened. Headshot. Maybe today I think I will do a body shot.
Sound very loud. Don't.
Where are you, bro? I'm coming for you, Hamza.
Can't find me.
Heidi boy. I'm playing in like mobile, okay? Mobile player.
The bomb has been planted.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay.
You like it, bro? I'm ready for you, son.
Where are you? Mama?
Let's go!
Nice
Yeah!
work. Get ready for the next round.
Yo, bro, let's go! Yeah. La. So we sniped him. Just now I sniped him. Let's go.
Bomb acquired.
That was a decent gameplay, dude. Okay, I know where you are. I think you are here only. No, you are not here. God damn it. Oh, I know where you are. Okay, wait. No, I don't know where you are. Shit. I thought like you were in like that ladder thingy.
Why would I be there?
The bomb has been planted.
Can we use Akimbos?
No.
Okay.
And then
What the heck?
take care. Nice.
I think you can't defuse it. You will defuse. Like I was gonna shoot you. I was like nicely sniping. I was gonna press the button, but you shot me. GG.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Okay, next time I'll hide somewhere else. I know where I can hide. Okay, I can.
Destroy the objective.
Enemy has the
Got the
bomb.
bomb.
Destroy the objective. I mean, I have the bomb. I'm going sneaky.
The bomb has been planted.
Oh shoot! I can see you. I'll not let you defuse, okay? What the? Let's go! I thought like I did not even shoot. How did you die? Then I saw like the trip mine thing. Use some brain, dude. Brainiac.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Like because of like the smoke grenade, your time was wasted, no? Oh no, guys, he'll come here. I know. I know he will come right over here. No. I can't take risk. You know what? I'm gonna win this.
The bomb has been planted.
Let's go! What a kill that was! Like I just now came, like I opened my scope. I just now came and shot you. I did not even see where you were. I just like thought you could be there.
Destroy the objective.
I'm very good at sniping. Tell like that, dude. But Hamza is OP sniper, but not good in search and destroy. Hamza is very good in frontline, na? And free for all.
Lost the
What the
bomb.
heck?
Lost
Why
that round.
didn't
It's
I
not
know?
over yet. Ready up.
Why didn't I know that you were there? Why didn't I? God damn it, no. I could nicely think. I'm fool.
Defend the objectives.
I'm a very big fool,
They have the
bro.
bomb.
Big fool, dude. Big fool. Hello, guys. I think Hamza cannot hear us, but I'm gonna go to B and camp there, and I'm gonna keep full trip mines. Then they will not be like even zero. There will not be like even zero chance of him getting in and plant a bomb in B or getting alive out of it. If he comes to A, I don't know. I know he'll come to B, guys. What the heck? Where you?
Lost that round.
You,
It's not
I
over
did,
yet.
you did not
Ready
like. I was like just keeping a trap. Hello? I was like just keeping a trap for you. I thought you could like. Okay, leave it.
I'm not that dumb, Ahmad. I'm not
The
that
enemy
dumb.
has the bomb.
Oh, okay. If they could be other people, I cannot mention their names because I know they'll see the video and they'll get angry. No. Like, I think. Oh, I know where you are. What? I was just like going. What
Lost
that
that round.
report?
It's not over yet. Ready up.
No, man.
I was just like gonna throw the trip and then I was thinking that you would die.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
Where are you, dude?
The bomb has been planted.
Shit. Let's go! Shit, how do I defuse this? God damn it! Yeah, now I got. See, I was like ready with my scope on. Then when I turned like my gun and I shot you. Yeah, let's go. It is equal, dude. Equal. We both are like good. We both are OP. Ammar Hamza OP.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb.
saw me, no, so why did you shoot me? Hamza,
Bomb has
Hamza.
been planted.
Mrs. Hamza. I mean Mr. Hamza. Okay, I see you, I see you. Fast as I can do it. Shit! I was gonna
Lost
shoot
that
you!
round, but it's not over yet.
Okay,
Ready
hold
up.
on, like mute, okay, like, leave it. I thought I could kill that guy.
Defend the objectives.
I thought like I just opened the scope and I was like just gonna shoot him. He shot me. I had like 2 seconds. Like they were like 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, when I was planting bomb, like the smoke went off. Then there were 2 seconds left. Let's go. So like
Nice
smoke
work.
went.
Get ready for
Then
the next
after the
round.
smoke went also, like I was 2 seconds like planting the bomb. If I couldn't plant the bomb like the 2 seconds, I could nicely shoot Hamza. But after that, I was trying to shoot Hamza. He shot me. I
Destroy the
thought that
objective.
when like the bomb planting could be over, then I could nicely hide, or the bomb planting could be over, and then I could snipe him, or the bomb planting could be over, and what?
The bomb has been
The bomb
planted.
planting could be over, and like I could just like open my scope and kill him, or hide. Then when he could come kill him, or like just move.
Bomb defused.
What the heck? What the heck? What? I thought like they were like in which side I was. I thought in which side I was. From that side only you can like defuse the bomb, from the other side. So I went to that side. Then Hamza was not there, so I took like no, nothing will happen. He will not be there. So he is not even defusing the bomb, because we can only like defuse from that side. But I did not. If I could knew that side could be there, I could like just snipe, or I could move. But GG.
Priority tasking failed.
Hey, Mr. Hamza. Hello? Hamza, unmute.
Yes, Samani.
And like I thought, like of the opposite side of you, like there's 2 sides of the like bomb thing, no, bro?
Yes, you thought that side.
Yeah, I thought that side. If I could know your side, I could like first go to my side, then go to your side, or I could directly snipe you. I did not knew that side. One more match. I want rematch, and I will win it. 100.
Have to go. We'll do tomorrow.
Tomorrow we'll record part 2. Okay. So guys,
Tomorrow, that's it for the video.
yeah, that's it for the video. Bye. Till then, peace.